What's up, people? Welcome or welcome back to Invest with T-Claus. My name is Tevi, and this channel is dedicated to my investment journey, along with coverage on crypto, Tesla, Neo, Virgin Galactic, and ChargePoint. Come for the information and stay for the perspective. So next week is going to be a big week. There's obviously the semifinals of the World Cup. I know I'm not the only one watching. Drop in the comments below which one of the final four you think will win it all. Now, also on Tuesday morning, December 13th, is the release of the CPI or Consumer Price Index number. Higher or lower is the question. Either way, there will be some good deals if you're a value-minded investor, as people sell to take some risk off the table. The FOMC meeting will span 2 days, ending on Wednesday. My point in telling you this is so that you don't chase the pump if the market opens higher on Monday. That will not last. I just had to put it out there so you're ready for the week ahead. But now, let's talk about Neo. They've been busy since I last covered them a few weeks ago. So today, I'll get you caught up on what they've been up to. We'll check out the analyst consensus on price targets and close with how I'm approaching the stock. As always, this is not to be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my personal approach to investing and the thought process behind it. I recommend watching all the way through so that you don't miss out on any pertinent information I'll be sharing. Drop this video an early like if you haven't already, and smash that subscribe button. Those are 2 easy ways to show your support to the channel and help it grow if you appreciate the content. All right, let's get into it. Well then, the price action this past week was lackluster to say the least, with Neo losing 3.81%. However, if you step back a month, you'll notice that the stock is actually up 36.54%, and that is significant. Part of the reason for the jump is the delivery numbers Neo posted. Neo delivered a record-breaking 14,178 vehicles in November, good for 30.3% year-over-year increase and a 41% increase compared to October. They expect to close out the year with an even stronger December. So far, they are living up to the forward guidance they gave during the earnings call, and that's really positive. As a result of those strong delivery numbers, the ET5 has now moved up 1 spot to number 9 on the top 10 best-selling premium sedan in China during November, right behind the ET7. Now, for context, October was the first full delivery month for the ET5, with sales of 1,030 cars that month, ranking number 10. They nearly tripled delivery of the ET5 in just 1 month. Remember that the goal is to dethrone the BMW 3 Series, which currently sits in the number 2 spot. And they're planning to do that in just 1 year. And at this rate, I would say that it's more than doable. The European expansion efforts continue. The first Neo Space was opened in Sweden just a few days ago on December 8th. Neo Spaces are different from Neo Houses. A Neo Space is a smaller showroom with a more minimalistic design, but that aligns well with the subscription model they are launching in Sweden, the Netherlands, Denmark, and Germany. Now, speaking of Germany, Neo just announced a new partnership to build out the swapping station network in Germany. They partnered with ENW, Germany's largest fast charging network operator, with initial plans to install 20 swap stations in their charging parks. And this is just a start, with plans to expand even further to new locations. The last couple notable big piece of breaking news are the announcement of the official date for Neo Day. It will be held on December 24th in Hefei. That's the same city that both Neo factories are currently located in. The theme for this year is Feel the Light and is meant to evoke optimism. It seems appropriate to me given that Neo persevered through the challenging 2022 and is now looking to an even greater 2023. The second piece of breaking news is the fact that the first 2 models of 5 total for 2023 will be introduced during Neo Day. No details yet on which models these are going to be, but it's officially confirmed by William Lee. 2 new models at Neo Day. That should make for a nice gift to stock investors. I can't say it enough, Neo has been putting in work despite the challenges of 2022. In my opinion, the price action the bear market has brought is a major opportunity at a discount for a company that is projected to turn a profit by mid-decade. Even at these levels, it's still a 3x return on investment for anyone who bought in 2020 when the stock was only $3. And we saw how high it ran during the bull market when the company only had at the time something like half of the current sales. So keep that in mind. Now, the average price target is currently at $16.81, which represents a projected upside of 33.10% from the closing price this past Friday of $12.63. The high end of the projection range is at $34 and the low end comes in at $11.27. And in case people forgot, Neo's all-time high is $66.99. So if you think about it, the current high end of the projection represents a 300% return on investment. Any shares bought at the current level could yield up to 600% or 6 times what you invested when we return to all-time highs. Again, something to think about. Clearly, I think about it. So what am I personally doing in light of all this? I told you in my last video that at $11 or less, I would be a buyer. The stock was trading below $11 most of November, and I took advantage of 4 different buy points: $10.04, $10.19, $9.99, and the one I'm the most excited about, $9.35. This really helped me drive my average cost down. Should we return under $11, which, by the way, I do expect we could see again, I, once again, will be a buyer. Patience is key here. With the amount of economic data we will be getting throughout the next week, I expect volatility to come in hot. Even in the event that the CPI comes in better than anticipated and the market rallies, we'll more than likely sell off post-New Year. So whether it's stocks or crypto, there are some ridiculous deals out there right now. And to be clear, my time horizon is 3 to 5 years. So anything bought today in what I consider to be my high conviction investments, including NFTs, like my CloneX by Artifact, that's the one I used to create the animation video, and link here if you want to see that. I expect the ROI on each of those investments will be more than worth the short-term pain 2022 brought to my portfolio. And for that reason, I'll continue to be patient and surgical in my buys. But on that note, that is it for me today. Don't forget to drop this video a like if it helped you gain a new perspective, and share with others who you think could also benefit from it. For my newcomers, subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you too can stay in the know. I'll be back on Sunday for my weekly video. Till then, you can keep up with me here on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Stay humble, hustle hard, and I'll see you in the next one.